Welcome back and thank you for joining me in another Java tutorial video. For this video, the original one that I made had some errors in it, so I had to take it down and redo it. But today we're going to be showing a bit more with variables. When I do that, I'm gonna have a quick look at some if statements, some operators and such. And I won't go over if statements completely, but I'll do those in the next video. So let's get started. And here of course, I made a new file and then lesson2.java. Make sure that you have the .java there. And let's just go ahead and set up our class. So, lesson 2, name of the file up there. Remember this. And our curly braces. And our main method. Oh, and by the encrypted keystrokes thing up there, I accidentally forgot to turn that off. But I will in the future videos, so sorry, just ignore that. Okay, so inside of this, we are going to make some variables. We're going to make some ints so we can work with some more operators really quick. So first, we're going to make new int. 12 of them. Let's make another one. That's gonna be 10. And I'm gonna make a blank one here. Okay. Now that we have our ints, I'm gonna show you the modulus operator. And what this does, it allows us to find the remainder of two numbers. So, to demonstrate that, I'm gonna show you what happens. I'm actually gonna show you what happens when we divide two numbers normally that wouldn't divide evenly into each other. Let's just store that in apps nothing. Then add a print statement. Okay. Now if we run this, you see that we get 1 down there. So obviously 10 can only go into 12 once. But if we change this to a modulus, which is, we do this with a percent sign if you can't see. And now when we do that, it changes to 2, and that gives us our remainder. Now, another example with some different operators that I want to show you. For this one, I'm going to be using a if and else statement. Well, no, not an else statement, just an if statement. I will be going over these later on, probably the next video actually. But what an if statement is, it just says if a certain condition is true, then it executes a certain block of code. Where the else comes in, that's what happens if the condition is not true. So we're not going to worry about that now, and the else block is not required. But to make a if statement, we basically just do this. But in here, we have to have a certain condition. And for our sakes, we're going to just compare new int using some relational operators. So, new int, another int. Alright. So I'm saying if new int is greater than another int. Alright, I'm going to show you in this space, I'm going to show you some examples of some assignment operators. So I'm just going to put another int plus plus. And what that should do is add 1 to that, to another int, if new int is greater than another int. And I'm going to show you this in 1 second. Alright, so let me delete this up here so we don't get confused. Right, so as we see, it's 10 right now. Then, if we run this, see, new int was 10 before. Another int was 10 before, excuse me. New int was greater than another int. Plus plus. Now it's 11. So if we change this again, let's say we did subtraction. Now it's 9. And if we were to change this, let's say do this. Now it will multiply by 5. And you see there we have 50. There are a lot of other of these assignment operators, a lot of other operators in general that you use for Java. And at another point in time, we'll eventually get to go over those. But I'm probably going to end this video here. The user input and such, I will put that in the next video. I thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed and got something out of it. I'll see you next time. Thank you.